Hi, my name is Vicki and welcome to the yoga4man channel. Today we're going to practice on the yoga ball, working on stretches that create flexibility for beginners and seniors. We're going to move in a very gentle, easy way with step-by-step instruction. This video will release any tight or tender areas in your body. You will feel great in this 10-minute video on the exercise ball. So please remember to keep your core engaged even though you're stretching, and stay in proper alignment and safe during these simple stretches. So if you like the video, please make a comment. I would love to hear which poses you liked or how you feel, or which poses you didn't like. I appreciate your comments, and if you'd like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.
So go ahead and sit on the ball. Get those sit bones grounded to the ball and take the shoulders back and down. Ball. Let's inhale, circle your arms up. Press the hands together. And as you exhale, release your hands back down to the ball. Good. Stay tall in your posture. Inhale, reach your arms up. Maybe watch your hands come together. As you exhale, float your hands back down to the ball. Stay really tall. Inhale, circling up. Draw the belly in. Exhale, release your hands down to the ball. Let's do some side bending. So inhale, reach the right arm up. As you exhale, let the opposite hand slide down the ball. Take another full breath. And go ahead and bring the hand all the way down. So left arm comes up. Exhale, let the hand slide down the ball. Let it reach. Rotate that shoulder slightly back. Inhale, come up tall, and then exhale, release. So right arm reaching up. Exhale, slide the hand down. Good. Pause here for a breath. Come all the way back up and release that hand to the ball. Left arm comes up. Big, deep breath. Exhale, slide the hand down the ball and hold. Rotate that shoulder back. Take another full breath. Come all the way up and now release. Now this time we're going to go ahead and reach the right arm up. As you exhale, slide the hand down the ball and pause. Open up through that rib cage. Take another inhale. And as you exhale, come up and let's just very gently draw the ear to the shoulder. Good. Come into your breath, just that nice full deep inhale and long slow exhale. Very good. One more full breath. And you'll release that right hand down to the ball. Let's do the left side. So inhale, left arm up. Go ahead and lean into your side stretch. Pause there, opening up through the rib cage and the torso. Take another full breath. And now come all the way up, touching that ear and drawing the left ear to the left shoulder. Good. 2 more breaths. Very good. And now we'll release that hand down and rest. Let's walk the feet really wide. And we'll take a little swivel of the hips. Whew. Nice. So we're ready to go, right? Little circle. Remember those days? It's only been almost a year, right? Can you believe that? So let's pause and let's reverse. And thank you for hanging in for a year. You know what? It's lot to be said about that. All right, very grateful. So let's just do one more circle. And we're gonna come all the way back up. Let's bring your feet a little bit closer together. We're gonna stand up. Perfect. and let's come down to the mat. So we'll get into, and we're gonna come into a table position, a kneeling position. So if you need a blanket for under your knees, go ahead and grab that. I'm gonna go ahead and take the ball and move the ball over to one corner. So either side, we're going to do both legs. So draw the opposite foot forward and come into a low lunge. So sink into it. You can have both elbows on the ball as you drop into this low lunge. You can toe heel the foot out just a little bit. Come into more of a lizard position where you're opening the hip up. And take another full breath. Let's go ahead and come up into our hamstring stretch. So we're just repeating our stretches, but here is a little more intense. You're going to flex your foot, roll the ball out, and then dropping the head right between the upper arms. Now we have to find the core, the abdominals pulled in strongly, so we're supporting, right, this forward fold. And just take another full breath. And then you're going to go ahead and roll up. You're going to bend the knee and lift the ball up and come into our crescent lunge. So here, we're going to take the ball and you're going to straighten the leg, bring the ball down, and then inhale, bend your knee and bring the ball up. So straighten the leg, ball comes down. Exhale, bend the knee and lift. Good, straighten out the leg. If you want to flex it, you can. And then bend the knee and lift. Couple more times. Bend the knee and lift. And one more time. And now bend the knee and lift. Good. Take the ball back down to the mat. Both hands on top of your ball. Slide your foot back. Now roll the ball to the opposite side of your mat and send that opposite leg forward. We'll do our lizard pose. So you walk the foot out over to the edge of the mat. I know you can't see that, but my foot is over. So I'm opening up this hip a little bit, but I'm going to sink this back hip, and this is really important, the part. So elbows on the ball. You're going to just drop down into it. So the booty is not sticking back. Elbows are down. And just take a few rounds of breath. And then we're going to roll the elbows back. Come into your hamstring stretch. Right? So you're going to zip up the abdominals, hinge from this hip crease, and come into that forward fold. And then you're going to go ahead and roll the ball towards you. We're going to bend the knee, right? And the ball comes up. And then you straighten the leg and the ball comes down towards the knee. So bend the knee and lift. Good. Straighten the leg. Good. Bend the knee and lift. Perfect. Straighten the leg. Just a couple more times. Bend the knee and lift. Good. Straighten the leg. Bend the knee and lift. Straighten the leg. And last time, you're going to lift and bend the knee and hold. Lift through the fingertips and stretch the ball up. Pull the abdominals in. Take another full breath. Bring the ball down. And now I'm going to have you flex your back foot, pick up that back knee, and step your feet together. Good. Let's go ahead. Bring the feet out wide. We're going to do a extended side angle pose. So I'm going to have you take your right foot, pivot it out, bend the knee. And so bring the ball just right in front of the toes. You're going to take the arm and reach it over. Good. Take an inhale. As you exhale, let's take that hand down, bring the ball around, pivot the foot forward. And now let's take the left foot out, bend the knee, and draw the ball in front of the knee and right above the toes. Hold onto the ball, stabilize it, bend and sink. Reach the arm up and over. Pull the abs in. Take a few rounds of breath. and then bring the ball up. Let's come into our straddle down dog. So make sure your feet are parallel to one another. Take an inhale, lift through the chest. Exhale, come into your forward fold. So hands on either side of the ball, you drop the ears between those upper arms. And then I want your tailbone to push back and up. So think more of the cow position here, lifting the sternum and the tail, but rolling the weight back into your heels. And just take 3 more breaths. And 1 more inhalation. Good, then roll the ball up towards you. Let's go ahead and toe heel our feet together, and we'll take the ball to the top of the mat. Good job. Now we'll come into easy cross-legged position. We're going to finish our class with bound angle pose, Baddha Konasana. So bring the bottom of the feet together, but a little more with the heels pushed away. Draw the ball in between your inner thighs. And then bring your elbows on either side of the ball, but your hands to the heart. Hands to namaste. Thumbs to your third eye, bowing your chin. Take a deep inhale, and as you exhale out, come into gratitude. Gratitude for that strong, healthy body to practice our yoga and our Pilates on the ball. Take another deep inhale. And as you exhale out, come back to gratitude. Gratitude for our yoga classes, our Pilates classes, and our community. And 1 more deep breath. And I want you to know that I'm grateful for every single one of you. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. The light in me salutes that light in you. And together we say, Namaste.